Welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I'm Lauren, and today we are making duct tape wallets. This craft is intended for ages 12 and up. You will need the following supplies for this project. To start, lay your ruler along the top of your workspace. Your table should be clean and somewhat smooth so that you can peel your duct tape up after you put it down on the table. First, we are going to make a fabric sheet made out of your duct tape. To do this, simply pull your duct tape off the roll and lay it down underneath your ruler at a little more than 10 inches wide. Use your scissors to cut the duct tape. You will need multiple pieces of duct tape to make this sheet. Just simply with your next one, place it about 2.5 or about a fourth of an inch on top of the first one you put down, and cut it to approximately the same length. Keep going until your duct tape is almost a square. This was 6 strips of duct tape in one direction. Now you will carefully peel up your duct tape from the top where you started. Go ahead and lay it back down with the sticky side up. Now you will take your other color of duct tape and make pieces to go across this. Again, do 6 strips down. Now you will use your ruler and your ballpoint pen or Sharpie to mark the edges of your final fabric sheet. Make sure that when you cut, you're cutting just barely inside a clean line. Your finished sheet should be approximately 10 inches by 10 inches wide. If it is a little bit smaller, that's fine. So now you will decide which one is going to be the outside of your wallet. Put the outside to the bottom and fold up your wallet . If your sheet was less than 10 by 10, go closer to 3.5. Mark the edge. This extra piece will make your pocket. Check with your library card to see that your card will fit in there fine. If you want, you can make it even shorter, or you can leave it this tall. With your pocket, you can place it with either the contrasting side out or the corresponding, whichever you like best. Now we need to seal the edges of our fabric. Since they're 2 layers of tape together, we don't want them to come apart. To do this, we will choose which color we want our trim to be. In my case, I'm going to use the white. Lay it so that half of the strip of tape is on top of the ruler itself. Again, make it approximately 10 inches long. I need to cut the strip in half. Take your half strip and place it so that half of it is on the inside, then flip it over and fold the other half down. This makes a nice contrasting edge. You can peel the part off your ruler now and use that for the other side. Now you've sealed the top edges of your wallet. Cut another 10-inch long strip. Cut this in half just like you did the last one. Seal one edge of your pocket. With your wallet body folded in half, place your pocket on top and use the trim to tape the two together. Again, putting about half of it on the top. And then the other half on the rest of the wallet body. Now your pocket is attached. Fold your wallet in half and measure to about 4.5 inches. Now you can cut the whole wallet. Careful to hold it nice and even. Now you've got your nice edges. You'll need one more strip of trim tape, which will be just a little bit longer than your wallet. In this case, approximately 4 inches. Now you will use these pieces to seal and hold the whole wallet together. Now you have your duct tape wallet. It has the money pocket and a pocket for gift cards, or of course your handy library, my link card. Thanks for joining Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. Make sure to share photos of your completed craft online and tag us using hashtag #ILoveHPL. See you next time.